The Heil just kicked in defrost again. This is just going to be an interval defrost, I think. I'm not sure though. I'm pretty sure this is the first defrost cycle of this thing of 2021. Yeah, it's putting out some heat. Yeah, I can feel the warm air coming out. (1996) 2-ton Heil 5000 defrosting. Oh, it's steaming. See that? Yep, steaming. Steaming over by the cabin. I sure hope my camera's picking it up. Wow, this is epic. Yo, the steam's going all the way up there. This is an epic steam show. I hope you guys could see it. I mean, if it was like a little bit darker outside, then maybe you guys could see it better. Nice. I'm sure hoping my camera's picking it up. And there it goes. It's gonna make the whooshing noise. There it goes. It's currently back in heat mode now. And it just shut off. There's the tapping. Yeah. Nice unit. The top used to be on here, but I don't know what happened to it. The Heil logo, it lost its logo, sadly. I have a few logos. I mean, I have a Heil logo that I could probably put on this thing. Maybe super glue it on. This one does unit 11. It's from 1996. It's a 2-ton. Copeland scroll compressor. It's got a really loud Copeland scroll compressor. I know it's not the bolts or anything. It's the compressor. And here are the rest of the units. Bryant, Goodman, and Carrier, which the Carrier was just running. Yeah, that's nice. My first defrost cycle of 2021. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.